Hi, I'm Dustin with Permatint, and we're here to discuss the difference between our semi-transparent and our opaque products. Both products function exactly the same. They're both mineral-based, they both soak into the brick, crystallize within it, and leave the surface completely breathable. The only difference between the two products is basically the thickness. So 1020 SiLazur is our semi-transparent stain. It can be diluted as much as desired with our thinner to make it more transparent. And it's going to allow background variation to show through. So for instance, if you have a brick wall with orange and red and brown brick, and you use a semi-transparent gray stain, you're going to get variations of that gray showing up. So it's going to dry a little bit darker on the darker brick, lighter on the lighter, and you get natural variation showing up. The opaque product is called 1010 QuartzGuard. It's designed to be completely uniform. So any background variation that's existing will be completely covered up, and you get a completely opaque, uniform finish. A good analogy to think of is the difference between staining a piece of wood and painting a piece of wood in terms of the finish.